Guys, good morning. It's 8 a.m. in the morning here and I woke up late. So I just want to let you see. Beautiful morning here. So today we're just going to eat a breakfast, and one of the Filipino favorite breakfast is coffee. Yes, for sure there's a partner with it. Coffee with pandesal. Yeah, we call it pandesal, and it's pandesal. It's like a salted bread. Yeah, the pan is the bread and the sal is the salt. So salted bread, pandesal. So come on, guys. So now we're going to get our favorite mug. Enjoy your life and have a nice day. So now we have our coffee here, and we have some 3-in-1 Sun Mix Sugar Free Original. So let's just put this our pandesal. Yeah, this is one of the Filipino favorite breakfast in the morning. If you go to every house here in Philippines, you can really see that most of the people are taking a breakfast with this pandesal, salted bread. Yeah, it's very delicious, guys, with coffee, tender. So now it's time to make some Filipino style bread. The bread, you will dip the bread in the coffee. Delicious. This is the perfect spot to sit and enjoy your breakfast, guys. So now again, this bread, just dip it into the coffee. This is the perfect spot to eat the breakfast with some dogs and chicken around you and some plants at your back. Thank you for watching, guys. That's all. Just to let you see the pandesal. Thank you and God bless.